Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will draw this super easy illustration, and believe me, anyone can draw this, even a complete beginner on digital arts. So let's get started. Create a canvas. I'm going to select screen size from the presets. You can choose any of them, whatever you like. All other settings are untouched. After that, just tap here to create your canvas. If you want to use exactly the same color I use in this video, just paste the highlighted color hex right here. So the first step is to fill this layer completely with black color, then create a layer above, then use the ellipse tool to draw one big circle in the center. Make the line thick enough. We can erase the extra later. Now, use the wand tool and select this circle, then use the lasso tool to select the remaining parts, otherwise it'll leave out some small portions. After the selection, use the blur filter on it. I'll keep it around 90%. Now, create a layer above, and increase the brush size around 120 pixels, then, use the highlight colors to draw some random lines inside. I'll leave out some small gaps here and there. Filling too much or too little may not result too good. I'll use smaller size for this one. Use the blur filter on this layer also. I'll keep it maximum. Drag this colorful layer below the white circle layer. I'll erase the whiteness, it seems too much to me. Create another layer on the top and draw a few sharp reflections on it using white color. I'll draw 2 dots right here and 1 line in the opposite side. Then use the blur filter on this layer again, and this time we'll keep it lower this time, around 60%. We're done with the selection and ellipse tool now, so tap here to disable both of them. Now select the white circle layer and lower its opacity, and merge all the layer related to the bubble. Create a duplicate and use the basic transformation to position it according to your likings. Tap here to create more duplicates and reposition it multiple times. Now, tap the cross to reset the position of the original bubble, and use the basic transformation again to create more duplicates on separate layer, fairly bigger than last ones. I'll now merge these 2 big ones together. Now these are the remaining layers we have. I'll keep the single one on the top and the 2 bubbles and multiple one below respectively. Select the 2 bubble layer and use the blur filter again. I'll keep it very low this time. Select the last layer and add blur filter on it again. I'll keep it little more than previous one. At last, lower opacity of both second and third layer. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, then subscribe to this channel, and follow me on Instagram also, link in the description.